How to enable USB tethering on Android. This tutorial shows you how to share your mobile data with another device using a USB cable. First, make sure your USB cable is plugged in and your Android device is connected to the other device. After that, open the Settings app on your Android device. From there, scroll down and tap on Connections. At this point, tap on Mobile Hotspot and Tethering to open the tethering options. In the next step, tap on USB tethering to enable it. Following this, toggle it on and your mobile data will immediately start sharing with the connected device through the USB cable. Once done, go to the other device and check if the internet connection is working. It should detect the connection automatically without needing any extra setup. From here, keep in mind that USB tethering will use your mobile data, so make sure you have enough data available before sharing. At this stage, also keep in mind that some carriers may charge extra for tethering depending on your plan, so it's worth checking with your provider beforehand. Finally, whenever you're done sharing, just come back to the same settings and toggle USB tethering back off to stop the connection. And that's it. If this guide helped you enable USB tethering on Android, give it a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.